tiga.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
So today we will make video about how to make fried rice.
Let us introduce ourselves. My name is Dian Pratiwi.
My name is Nicole Tabrelia.
My name is Fira Riaya.
My name is Nisrin Nazar Latifah.
My name Muhammad Panji Prasetya.
First of all, prepare the tools and materials for roasting. Cut the sausage into slices. Then peel the cucumber and cut the cucumber into slices. Add chili, shallots, garlic, and shrimp paste, and salt for seasoning. Then mix together until smooth. Heat the pan and add butter. Add chili sauce and stir until fragrant. Then break 2 eggs. And stir again. Then put the rice in the pan. And mix together. If necessary, add soy sauce and add the sausage.
The result of our video. Thank you guys. Bye bye.